Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi Q7 remote key battery. First, gather your materials. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common type found at most stores. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver will be essential for safely opening the key fob. This simple process can save you a trip to the dealership and takes only a few minutes to complete. Now let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the back of your key. Press this button and slide out the physical emergency key, setting it aside. Next, look for a small notch or seam along the edge of the key fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force. With the key fob open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Once the new battery is in, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear them click into place. Make sure there are no gaps around the edges. Then, slide the physical emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure it's working correctly. You should see a small indicator light illuminate, confirming success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.